Hi guys, today it's a road trip again. Say hi into the camera. Hi. Mama. Okay guys, I'm riding somebody else's car. See you. We're going to the airport guys. See you in part 2. Hi guys, we saw the plane. We're here at the airport. What? Guys, check out the airport. Okay, check through. That's the plane we're riding. No? The airport is right there. And we just flip. I'll show you the airplane later. Bye. We're here at the airport. International Airport. Guys, see you later and we will go there. Bye. Okay, guys. Guys, we're okay. I'm getting out of the car now.
Ay, si Daddy. Hindi tayo binagbuksan. Ano ba yun? Ano?
Spotted.
Dog. Dog.
What's that sound? Mommy, what's that?
Wala, may ginagawa.
Hi guys, today we're in the
Nakainito show na ano.
park. Okay, guys, we're in
Hanapin natin si
the airport. Our
Nasa
first
sila
time.
Tita May. We need to call Tita May.
Okay, let's find our other family members. They're right here. And the plane we're gonna ride is Cebu Pacific. Check out my fit. Okay guys, we're gonna find our other family members. Bye. Everybody's now here. Wow. Part 2 guys, we're going to the plane. Hi. We're just today. So now we're in the table.
Gusto mo ng ano? Meal? Sige.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, guys, we're waiting. Bye.